very good morning to our lecturer, Ms. Azzi, and all my fellow friends. Today it's my turn to share some new information related to biomanufacturing topic. But today I'm not going to introduce or talk about any product. Can you all guess what am I going to share with all of you today? No? So without dragging the time, I would like to talk about my topic, which is change on the horizon for biomanufacturing, and would like to provide some simple statistics on that. Before I start off my speech, I would like to ask everyone, what is biomanufacturing? I'm sure all of us know what is biomanufacturing, as we have already learned about this in previous chapters. Biomanufacturing is an advanced manufacturing technology which involves the use of physical, chemical and biological processes performed by living cells for other use in applications. A leading indicator as to where global bioindustry system is headed geographically is where global vendors are setting up shop. In the 8th Annual Report and Survey of Biopharmaceutical Index Manufacturing, along with 356 biomanufacturers, they also surveyed 186 suppliers to the industry. This growth also seen in the analysis of Global Biopharmaceutical Manufacturing Index concentration. This year, more than half of the industry suppliers are selling actively both products and services in China and India. While in the US and other major biopharmaceutical markets tend to grow by rapid adoption of new products and new indications for existing products, growth in most of the rest of the world tends to be driven more by overall academic development, including development of social class, other broad economy, and social trends. The majority of biopharmaceutical manufacture and consumption of emerging markets currently involves the use of biogenerics or other copies of products developed by Western innovative companies, and most lesser developed countries are not able to afford to buy these costly Western innovative biological products. Certainly, as local industries are continuing to develop in lesser developed countries, they have the ability to attract more world-class facilities and make inroads into top facilities index. Now, I would like to talk about another type of biomanufacturing, which is disposable biomanufacturing. What is disposable biomanufacturing? This word probably will be new for some of you. Disposable biomanufacturing is the manufacturing of products which have the ability to dispose by themselves. This industry has grown potentially over the past decade. Disposable biomanufacturing technology are being increasingly implemented by manufacturers nowadays. There are some benefits of disposable biomanufacturing, such as decreased cleaning, reduced facility and equipment investing, faster changeover, and reduced risk of product cross-contamination. A growing number of disposable products and vendors are available, such as disposable bioreactor, buffer storage and filtration solution, and they are also so on. Additionally, the use of disposable equipment significantly reduces the risk of environment or product cross-contamination, and thus this disposable biomanufacturing is also considered as a safer alternative. In conclusion, this industry has already growing industry over other countries, and we would like to hope that this industry will be increasingly implemented by manufacturers and suppliers here. And to know more information about this manufacturing, please feel free to surf the net and find out more information on this type of manufacturing, and there are also other types of manufacturing. Thank you.